everyone. Welcome to Sue's Puzzles. I'm Sue. So nice to see you all. This is January's puzzle haul video. Just going to be a quick video of the puzzles I got in the month of January. Now, those that are new, I do a lot of shopping at resale shops like Goodwill, Deseret Industries, and that. But I do occasionally buy new puzzles as well. If I really like them and I can't find them, I will purchase them. So you might see some that are not easily available because they're older puzzles. But I figure it's always fun to see just new puzzles and then get an idea of what you might want to go looking for. So at the end of every video, I always do a flip through with a close-up of the images. And I also put them in the video description. So if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And let's get on with the video. Okay. This first one I got at a resale shop, I believe, Goodwill. It's a Dowdle folk art puzzle called American Quilt. Okay, the second one, I believe I got all these at resale this month. This one is called Memory Lane by Masterpieces. It's a 300-piece puzzle. And these are nice because they come with a poster in them. And they're also larger puzzle pieces. Now this one's by Masterpieces too. It's actually a round puzzle by Russ, Docken. I think that's how you say it. And it has a nice little flip out here. But I thought that was a pretty image. And then I got this one. I collect these cat ones. I collect a lot of things. This one's called Beachcombers. It's 750 pieces. This is by Buffalo Games. And then this is another Masterpieces. This is the Town and Country collection. This is called Share in the Harvest. And that's 300 pieces. And this is part of Buffalo Games' Vivid collection called Icelandic Mountain. Icelandic, yeah. 300 pieces. I like this because it's got the rainbow right there. I thought that was pretty. And then this one's called Hidden Tigers. It's a 500 piece by Buffalo Games. It's the Amazing Nature collection. I love anything with animals, so this one was calling out to me. And this one is by Milton Bradley, MB Puzzles. 300 piece. It's got a little puppy and kittens in there. Let's see, what is it named? By Amy Rosenburg. And I'm not seeing a name on it. I'll see if I can find it and put it in the description. And then I got this Star Wars one, 500 pieces. This is Buffalo Games. Now I got this at the resale, but it's never been opened. So I was really excited about that. And give this one a go. And I got this Sweet Succulent Puzzle. I don't think this one's been opened yet either. No. 300 pieces. That's by Buffalo Games. It's called Sweet Succulents. And then last but not least, I got this one by Masterpieces. I don't know if Country Escapes is the collection. This is Antique Barn. And that's 550 pieces. Okay, that's it for this month's video. I will be doing the flip through after this, that you can see the images better. There'll be the puzzle names in the description box. If I can find the links, I'll add those too. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. See you next time. Bye, everybody.